Troubleshooting an LG dryer that will not close. If your LG dryer door is not closing properly, there are a couple of troubleshooting steps you can try that may save you time on a call and a technician's visit. If the door does not close completely, open the door and make sure the lint filter is pushed all the way in and that there are no articles of clothing stuck on the door. Then try to close the door. If the door still will not close properly, it may be misaligned. If the dryer is brand new, examine it for damage. Check if the door is bent or if there is damage to the frame of the unit. If you see damage, please call the dealer for further assistance. If there is no dent or damage, then try resetting the dryer. Unplug it from the power outlet or trip the circuit breaker. Wait 5 seconds and then plug the unit back in. Now try to close the door firmly. Do you see an error code on the display? If the dryer door still does not close properly and there is no error code displayed, then the unit will require a repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.